Prosecutors have charged a man in a deadly weekend crash in Branson. William Garcia Rodriguez is charged with driving while intoxicated and killing his passenger. Color 10's Carissa Codell spoke to an attorney about this case and the possible punishment the driver could face. Carissa's live in Branson this evening.
Yeah, the crash happened right here near Gretna Road and Francis Street, and you can actually still see some of the markings on the road from police mapping out that crime scene, and even some crushed signs still here. Now, I did some digging and found that the driver had actually been charged twice for driving without a license.
A person's driving history is always looked at by judges and looked at by prosecutors.
Court documents say William Garcia Rodriguez was southbound on Francis Street when his truck hit a curb and he lost control. The truck crossed to the other side of the road, went up an embankment and rolled. Dennis Almacar Rizzo was found trapped under the truck by first responders. He died on the scene. Garcia Rodriguez allegedly ran away but was arrested nearby.
There is a fairly big difference in the punishment for a death of someone in your vehicle versus someone not.
Springfield attorney Adam Woody is not involved in this case, but says Garcia Rodriguez is likely not charged with murder because the victim is his passenger, who likely knew Garcia Rodriguez was intoxicated.
When you get in a vehicle with a supposed drunk driver, obviously you do that voluntarily, and you do to some extent assume the risk. I believe that's the intent of the legislature in reducing the penalties for that offense, as opposed to causing the death of someone not a passenger in your own vehicle.
Court documents say Garcia Rodriguez admitted to drinking 12 to 14 beers before driving, and his blood alcohol level was 0.272, more than 3 times the legal limit.
Generally speaking, when there is a DWI death, prosecutors' offices do take a hardline approach on these things.
And the penalty for a DWI resulting in the death of a passenger is 3 to 10 years. Garcia Rodriguez is currently being held in jail without bond, and he is from Guatemala, which might impact how his case is handled. Reporting live in Branson, I'm Carissa Codell, Color 10 News.